వెల్కమ్ టు మనోహర్ మోటివేషనల్ థాట్స్. టాపిక్లోనికి వెళ్ళే ముందు నా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, బెల్ ఐకాన్ పైన ప్రెస్ చేయండి, అలాగే లైక్ చేయండి మరియు పక్కనే కనిపిస్తున్న షేర్ ఆప్షన్ పైన క్లిక్ చేసి మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి కూడా షేర్ చేయండి ఫ్రెండ్స్. హాయ్ చిల్డ్రన్, హౌ ఆర్ యూ? Yesterday we have discussed about ray diagrams of concave mirror at three different places when object is placed on principal axis where the image is formed. We have seen those are, once we recall, when object is placed at infinity, image is formed at focus. When object is placed beyond center of curvature, image is formed between F and C. When object is placed at center of curvature, image also formed at center of curvature, and their characteristics of image also we have seen. Today we will continue our topic, ray diagrams of concave mirror. Remaining diagrams are there. That is, fourth one is when object is placed between F and C. So see the diagram. This is concave mirror. So this is the principal axis and focus, center of curvature. So when object is placed between F and C, suppose candle is an object and this is incident ray. The reflected ray passes through the center focus, and second ray, when light ray travel through the focus, reflected ray pass parallel to the principal axis. So approximately the diagram will come beyond center of curvature. So this is the image. Image will be found beyond center of curvature, and see, when object is placed between F and C, image is formed beyond center of curvature. So here nature of the image is this is a real image and inverted image. Real, inverted and magnified image is formed. Magnified image will be formed. So this is about the when object is placed between F and C. And fifth one is when object is placed at F. When object is placed at F, at focus. So this is the diagram. This is the pole, focus, center of curvature. So suppose a candle of object placed at F at focus. When light ray travel parallel to the principal axis, it must pass through the focus. This is the first ray. And second one is when light ray travel through the center of curvature. It does not deviate its path. So it will go in the same direction and it will retrace its path. So here in this case, image is formed at infinity. When object is placed at F, image is formed at infinity. So this also real image and inverted and also magnified. So these are the characteristics of the image when object is placed at F. And last one is when object is placed between P and F. Between P and F. So this is the ray diagram for this. This is concave mirror, principal axis and focus, center of curvature. When object is placed between P and F, so this is incident ray, reflected ray. And this case, and second ray is passing through the center of curvature. If you extend the reflected rays back, you will get the image point is here. That means virtual image will be formed in this case. When object is placed between P and F, image is formed behind the mirror. Virtual and erect magnified image will be formed. So this is the special case in all the image formations, ray diagrams. Virtual image and erect image and also magnified. So these are the three different remaining places when object is placed on the principal axis where the image will be formed. Once conclusion, when object is placed between F and C, image is formed beyond center of curvature. Nature is a real image, inverted and magnified. When object is placed at F, image form will be formed infinity, real, inverted, magnified image. When object is placed between P and F, image is formed behind the mirror. In this case, it is virtual image, erect image and magnified image. So this is about the ray diagrams of concave mirror. So there are 6 positions. When object placed at infinity, image formed at focus. When object is placed beyond center of curvature, image is formed between F and C. When object is placed at center of curvature, image also formed at center of curvature. When object placed between F and C, image is formed behind center of curvature, beyond center of curvature. And when object placed at F, image is formed at infinity. When object placed between P and F, image is formed behind the mirror as virtual image and erect and magnified image. Now we will continue after ray diagrams of concave mirror. Mirror formula is there. Derivation of mirror formula is there. So I will make for the derivation of mirror formula one more video. Now we will discuss only what is mirror formula. Mirror formula. So mirror formula 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. So here F is a focal length, V is image distance, U is object distance. This formula is used in case of solving the problems, finding of focal length of the concave mirror or image distance of the mirror. So image distance, so these are all the terms which are used is F is a focal length, V is image distance, U is object distance. Now let us see sign convention. While solving the problems, we have to use these 3 rules of the sign convention. First one is all the distances should be measured from the pole. So whenever you are solving the problems, all the distances must be measured from the pole. This is the first sign convention rule. And second one is the distances measured in the direction of incident ray. That means this is in the direction of light ray should be taken as a positive, and in opposite to incident ray. Suppose the distance measured from the pole, the distance should be taken as a negative. So in the direction of incident ray should be taken as positive, and in opposite to incident ray should be taken as a negative. So first one is all the distances measured from the pole. All the distances from the pole. Okay. Second one is the distances measured in the direction of incident ray should be taken as a positive. In opposite to incident ray should be taken as a negative. And the third one is the distances measured above the principal axis should be taken as a positive, and below the principal axis should be taken as a negative. These are the 3 rules of sign convention. Number 1, all the distances should be measured from the pole. Number 2, the distances measured in the direction of incident ray should be taken as positive, in opposite to incident ray taken as negative. The distances measured above the principal axis should be taken as positive. The distances means size of the object or image, and the size of the object below the principal axis should be taken as negative. So these are all the sign convention. And the third one, next one is what is a magnification? What is a magnification? Magnification M is equal to height of the image by height of the object, HI by HO. The ratio between the height of image and height of object is called as a magnification. This is also known as minus V by U. So in case of magnification, finding the magnification, height of the image, ratio between the height of the image and height of the object is called magnification. Let us see finally what are the uses of concave mirror and convex mirror. Uses of concave mirror and convex mirror. Convex mirror. So general use of the concave mirror. Concave mirror is used by the dentist, ophthalmologist, and it is used in car headlights and torch lights, and also it is used in the telescopes. So these are the general use of concave mirror. And convex mirrors are used rear view mirror of the vehicles. So automobiles, all the vehicles have a driver mirror is there. The driver mirror is a convex mirror, and convex mirror is also used in the shopping malls to control the traffic in traffic junctions, to see the traffic in the traffic junctions. So these are the general uses of convex mirror. So these are the daily life applications of concave mirror. So children, by this we have successfully completed our first lesson, reflection of light at curved surfaces. So the main concepts in this lesson, especially what the concave mirrors, convex mirror, difference between the concave and convex mirrors, and also daily life applications of concave mirror and convex mirror, ray diagrams of the concave mirror, sign convention and magnification, ray diagrams of the concave mirror. So these are all the some important points. Children, if you have doubt, you can ask me through my WhatsApp number or keep in the comment box also. And still, if you do not subscribe my channel, subscribe my channel and follow regularly my videos. Thank you.